Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, grow wealth. Today's topic is this: the 5 golden rules of the stock market investing. 5 golden rules of stock market investing. Rule 1: aim to make 10% in every trade you do. Aim to make 10% in every trade you do. Let me make it simple. After taxes and commissions, you should have 10%. But if that is not possible, then aim at 7% or 8% or 9%. But at least after all the taxes, make something. Let's say 5% at worst. If you make 5% at worst and you keep doing that for 12 months, you will have made 60% return in the stock market. Rule 1: always ensure you make something. I was reading a book last month, a book by Mark Opmeyer, and he said that even if you can make 1,000, it's good enough. At least let your money grow by another extra 1,000. Then you do another trade, another investment, let your money grow by another 1,000. A Mark Opmeyer says if your money could be growing by at least 1,000 every day for 365 days, you have 365,000 shillings. But of course, you cannot make it every day in the stock market. So then what do? If you can make it in a week, good. If you can make it in 2 weeks, good. At worst, make it in a month. Let your money grow by some figures. So rule 1, always grow your money. Rule 2, never invest in a single stock. Never invest in a single stock. Have a stock or two. You can have 2, 3, or 4 stocks that you are working with. One stock has 100,000, another stock 100,000, another stock 100,000, another stock 100,000. And all these stock you are aiming at making 10% return in each. That is rule number 2. Another rule 3, think long term. Think long term. Why do I say this? Some 13 years ago, Safaricom was 5 shillings. As I'm speaking to you now, Safaricom is about 45 shillings. It has grown over the last 13 years, and the money has multiplied nearly 900%. Rule 3, always think long term. It's very good. Let's take another example. Amazon. In the United States, over the last 20 years, Amazon was about $1. $1. Over the last 20 years, Amazon has grown in value to $3,500. The money has been able to be multiplied 172,000%. Rule number 4, always stay liquid. What do I mean by this? Always have money. And why should you have money? Because there are always opportunities in the stock market. There are always opportunities come up. So it will be very bad for an opportunity to come up and you have nothing and you have no money. Rule 4, always stay liquid. Rule 5, focus on value, not on price. Let me say this. Some days back in the Telegram group, I have a Telegram group. If you are not there, please join our Telegram group. We talk about the stock market 24/7. So a few weeks back in the Telegram group, someone raised an issue. And someone said that if you buy stock A and stock A starts dropping, then it's not a good investment. If you buy stock B, then stock B starts losing value, or the price started going down, then it's not a good investment. It's not a good winning stock. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not true. Stocks go up and go down all the time. And so a good stock, you will know, of course, by looking at the balance sheet. How has it been doing over the last 10, 20 years? How are the earnings like? How has it been doing over the last 20 years? How are the sales? What is the growth? So a good stock you will know by the historical financial records. The fact that at some point the stock went up, down, up. By going down doesn't mean that it's crumbling. A stock crumbling you will know by other factors. But at least from the financial records also you can tell. But the fact that it went up and went down doesn't mean that it's a bad stock. So always look for value and not just the stock price. The fifth one, buy low, sell high. That is how you make money in the stock market. Buy low, sell high. Of course, the other way you can make money in the stock market is through dividend investing. Buy stocks that give you dividends. And so, ladies and gentlemen, if you are not in our Telegram group, join our Telegram group. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question you want me to answer, please drop your question in the comment box.